Hai semua. Okay, so hari ni I have something special to share with you. I akan tunjukkan you macam mana kita buat trading gunakan TVA toolset. Okay, so just a little bit introduction on this toolset. So before this toolset was available, how usually I would do trading is that I kena buat analysis lah, right? Everybody would know that when you do trading, you need to do chart analysis. So to know where's the direction, dah sampai resistance ke belum, atau nak sampai support ke, all this so on and so forth lah, betul tak? So now, with this, right, with this particular AI tool set, I do not have to do that anymore. Okay, because trend line, dia dah akan draw for me. Okay, immediately I know, I by one glance I can see, oh sekarang dekat weekly tengah buat apa, dekat H4 tengah buat apa, right? Whether is it I dah terlepas peluang ke nak ambil, ataupun belum terlepas peluang lagi ke, all this information actually is being told to me. Okay, to put it simply kan, when I use this tool set, it feels like I have a mentor beside me. Okay, so before kan, lepas dia orang ajar, you are or maybe you have learned from someone else, you are actually left to guess, okay, literally guess, based on your analysis where the market is going, betul tak? So with this particular tool set, it's like I really have the mentor beside me telling me now is a good time to enter, or now is the good time to take profit or exit. You have done wrong entry, you better close the trade, for example, or that, you know, I macam ada pertolongan lah. Okay, I would say that this tool set is an excellent tool set to have if you are baru-baru nak belajar trading. Okay, because everyone that we know, or rather the people that I know, bila buat trading, kita nak dapatkan profits yang banyak, betul tak? So we are always looking out for people who are better than us, and we do what? We sign up for their signal, betul tak? Some of them will offer you taruh RM50, taruh RM100 deposit, and then you can get signal from me, then you just follow my trades. Then bila you follow pula, sometimes you fikir kenapa dia punya boleh positif, kenapa I punya negatif. Macam gitulah, betul tak? Because we are relying on someone to give us a direction on where the market is going. So itu actually cara yang salah, because bila buat trading, kita nak kena pastikan dengan betul, based on your own analysis where the market is going. So with this particular AI tool set, you dah tak payah tunggu orang kasih you signal, because all the information is right in front of you. Okay, you dah tak payah cari orang lagi. Okay, so I show you macam mana lah you buat analysis gunakan benda ni. Okay, right now, let's say I'm using H4, Euro USD. Right? I tengah from one glance, I already can see that this is actually an uptrend. Okay, even ada message kat bawah sini cakap uptrend, buy at lower TRP line. So this orange line is actually a TRP line. We call this TRP lah. Okay, so of course kita nak buy low sell high, betul tak? So we usually say, oh ni that means dah ada peluang, maybe dia nak akan pull back kat sini ke, lepas tu aku enter balik lah. Okay, without the TRP line, okay, actually you are actually doing the same thing. Like ni ada break, ni dia dah engulfing punya candle kan. So usually you don't immediately enter here. You probably wait for it to retrace somewhere here dulu, baru you buat entry, betul tak? So kalau dengan TIP line ni, you dah tak payah susah-susah, because it's all shown on the screen for you. So you know that, oh dia sekarang dah keluar TIP line, dengan nyinyir kat sini dah, the logo here dah keluar. So I tengah tunggu the best moment, which is buyer, you buy at lower TIP line lah, betul tak? So you wait lah, tunggu sampai price dah sampai sini, then you do a buy. Sampai mana? Sampai mana selalu orang tak tahu, because sampai mana nak taruh TP sampai sini ke, sampai sini ke sampai sini ke. So with the TIP line, you immediately know that kat sini dah dia punya location. Nak tahu lagi lebih terperinci, you pakai benda ni. cermin mata. Sekarang you boleh nampak, you kalau enter kat sini, you ada dapat dalam 163.5 pips punya profit, that potential profit that you can get. So this is actually very very useful daripada you guess where your entry or exit position is going to be. Okay, selain daripada itu, you can actually see the same information on all the time frame. So let's say sekarang H4 kan, I pergi ke H1, I pun tahu sekarang the direction for the particular time frame is downtrend. Okay, tadi kita nampak dia uptrend kan, tapi you understand, if you understand what I'm trying to say, lepas engulfing dia akan retrace. So basically when you go down to lower time frame, you can tahu that this actually is going to do a retracement. Sampai mana? Sampai sini lah. Probability maybe sampai lagi 111 pips sampai kat bawah sini, baru dia naik atas balik. Right? Betul tak? So in a way, this will actually give you a clearer picture apa market tengah lakukan. Okay. So this particular toolset is so awesome is that because dia tunjukkan, dia boleh duplicate for you. Okay, so let me show you. Let's say I tadi dekat H4, I nak tengok H4 lah, I want to be sure H4 tengah buat apa. And then I go to H1. So immediately I can see sekarang dekat H1 tengah downtrend, betul tak? But H4 is an uptrend. So sampai mana lagi dia price can actually go until where? Kan price can actually go until here tau, betul tak? Immediately you can see, you don't even have to get someone to analyze the chart for you. You can actually analyze this on your own, right? Okay, then let's say I want to keep H1, I pergi ke lower time frame lagi, M5. Banyak lain kan, tapi you will know, okay, yang green colour ni nampak ni, H4 hijau kan, this hijau, H1 is merah, then M5 sekarang is what I'm looking at, which is the orange colour line. So every time the orange colour line will actually be the time frame that you're looking at, right? Can see that, sekarang dia tengah uptrend lah, M5. So M5 ni kalau dia naik sampai mana, it could be potentially going until sini, lagi satu pip je, ataupun it will break, ataupun sampai ke atas sini lagi 100 pip, ataupun sampai atas sini lagi 145 pip, 170 pip. So you in a way analysis, right? Kalau orang tanya you already know that the potential of where the market is going. That's the beauty of this TVA toolset lah. So like I said earlier on, this toolset ni sangat-sangat bagus untuk sesiapa pun yang baru nak belajar buat trading. Okay, mind you, this application is actually designed by a trader himself. Okay, Datuk Sri Ahmad Zaki, he's a world champion trader. So apa yang kita nampak kat sini is cara-cara yang dia gunakan untuk trading juga. So literally like you are having Datuk sit beside you and to tell you exactly when to enter and when to exit. Betul tak? That's actually a plus point lah. Anyway, this is just a small portion of the toolset. Sebenarnya toolset ni ada macam-macam functions, okay, which you can learn, right? We actually conduct the class almost every month, right? And we will go through with you all the strategies yang kita gunakan untuk trading. Okay, because there's a few strategies. All these can be learned when you can learn when you join our full day class. Okay, so if you are interested to join, just leave us a comment, or you can contact me. I'll leave my contact details in the link below. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.